Hey guys, what is up? Today we will be making a character tutorial for you, just in case you want to make your own character. Let's get into it. Alright, so for starters we're going to delete, and then we'll be hovering over choose a sprite, and we'll click paint. So then you will end up right here. And basically, we're just going to be using these 5 buttons and, fill an outline. So first off, we're going to make a head. You can choose whatever color you want. I'll choose this pinkish color. You can also change the saturation, but I'll just keep this. So I'll make the head right here. Not a basic head, that's all. And then we'll make a body. And what some people do, not me, what some people do, they use this and they modify it kind of like that. And then they, right down the middle, they just make a body right there. I don't know, that's pretty basic. Oh yeah, let me change it to a different color. We'll just do purple, put it behind it. Looks like ice cream cone. But now we'll go on to the legs. You can either do circle legs or, well, mostly oval or circle, or you can do line. We're gonna do line. We'll make it fun. We'll do a little. It's kind of like a skinwalker. And then we'll make the arms. We'll do 15. And then we'll just T-pose. Crooked T-pose, obviously. Okay. Now we'll do the eyes. We'll do any type of fill. We'll just do yellow or something. Make it 5. Maybe, zoom in. We can just. Sometimes I like to make the eye kind of weird looking, because it's funny, I guess. I'll make this outline bigger. We'll do 8. And like I said, you can just make it kind of like a smile. But honestly, you can do whatever you want. It's really fun. Sometimes you can just make it for fun games and all that. But yeah, you can put designs on the shirt or whatever. You can make a shirt. But on it, I like to put a star kind of, if I get this, with that. I don't know, y'all. I've never done this like that. That's me trying to make a star, guys. That's kind of good, I guess. Bruh. Bruh. Come on, just move. Yeah. So there that is. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it's actually this time in the next 3 days. So, goodbye.